If you've forgotten your AliExpress password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the AliExpress login page. Visit the AliExpress website and click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. You will be prompted to enter the email address or phone number associated with your AliExpress account. Fill in the required information and click Next. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. AliExpress will send you a password reset link or code to your registered email or phone number. Check your inbox or messages for this information. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link or enter the code provided to access the password reset page. Enter your new password, confirm it, and save the changes. Now you can log into your AliExpress account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to AliExpress customer support for further assistance.